In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start with an empty table here in Google Sheets. So you can definitely start with an empty table. You can do those in two ways. First and simplest way would be to select the range that you want to convert into a table. Let's say you want a 10 by 10 table right here. So that's 10 rows with 10 columns. Once you've selected the range of your table, you can just right-click inside that selected range and select Convert to Table. And there you have it. You have your table where you have your first row as your header and 10 columns right here that you can definitely edit depending on what kind of data you have for your spreadsheet. Another way to do this would be to go to Insert here in the menu bar. Once you click on that, you have your tables option right here. If you click on it, there you have it. You can select the blank table right here. If you click on Insert, there you have it. It has automatically created a table for you with 15 rows and 6 columns. Now you can definitely add more to this. Once you hover to the side, it will give you the option of Insert Column to the right. Or if you want more rows, you can definitely add more rows below. And there you have it. So that's how easy it is. You can start with an empty table. So many things that you can do with the formatting or editing the column type for your table. And you can check out other videos of this when you subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos and I will see you in the next one.